Valley River at Youngstown. When, until this evening, impacts at 14.0 feet. River inundates the land near the river. Some basement flooding possible. Additional details. At 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 13.7 feet. Bankfull stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast. The river will rise to 14.2 feet early this afternoon. It will fall to 6.4 feet Friday evening. It will then rise to 6.8 feet early Saturday morning. It will fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply